So hopefully you're looking at the quiz at the same time. It says the population P in thousands of a city in Nevada can be modeled by, and here's an important piece, P equals 122e to the kt, where t is in years. So if t equals 0, that represents 1990. So in the year 2000, I'm also going to say, well, that's 10 years later, therefore t would equal 10. And in this year 2000, it also said that the population was 169,000. So now I can plug this information in over here. So P is the 169,000 equals 122E. I don't know K, that's what I'm trying to find. I'm trying to find the rate that this happens. And I know that T is 10 years, so I have 10K. So I'm going to solve this. I'm going to divide both sides by 122. And when I do that, I get 1,385.2459 equals e to the 10K. Now, when I solve problems like this, when I show my work, I round it 4 decimals maybe, but in my calculator, I always leave it the entire number. Well, at this point, I have to get rid of the e. And the only way to do it is to multiply both sides by the ln. So I'm going to take the ln of this number, 1,385.2459, equals the ln of e to the 10k. So there's a property that states if the ln and e are side by side there, they cancel, and I'm left with 10k on the right. On the left-hand side, I'm left with 7.2336, and again, I leave it whole in my calculator. So my last step here to solve for k is divide both sides by 10, and k is approximately 0.7233, and your directions say around 4 decimals, so at that point, I should probably go one more further, so it's 0.72336. So the answer you should give in the test would be k is approximately 0.7234, and there's my final answer.